ERTICO, ITS Europe and the City of Copenhagen invite you to the 25th Intelligent Transport Systems World Congress from the 17th to the 21st of September 2018 in Copenhagen. With the theme ITS, Quality of Life, the Congress will look at how the industry as a whole can contribute to a higher quality of life by improving livability, making the surrounding environment greener, and lowering congestion. Discussions will take place over 5 days in various sessions, while exhibitors and demonstrators will showcase groundbreaking results on how their solutions have a positive impact for all people. The ITS World Congress is known to be the biggest and most important event in the industry and is a fantastic opportunity to build your business network and promote your brand.
For this year's World Congress, we have selected the key topics enabling the smart mobility developments on a global level. And at the same time, the program well reflects what we as ERTICO see as key drivers in today's business and policy agendas. We work closely with all ERTICO partners to ensure our common vision towards safer, smarter and cleaner mobility. And the ITS Congress is a great channel for us to promote this vision, as well as to meet colleagues from all regions of the world, to learn from each other and to make common plans for the mobility sector of the future.
This year, we are expecting 4,000 delegates, 10,000 visitors, more than 400 exhibitors, and over 30 demonstrations and technical tours, and various governments, city and state representatives. We look forward to seeing you in Copenhagen.